Yeah. Today we're going to show you how to preheat your Sapien oven. So this is it, it's just sitting at room temperature at the moment. So what we're going to do, going to select convection mode, going to set it to the temperature we would like, and then we're going to turn it to pre. And then what that'll do is once the oven's hit temperature, the alarm will go off and it'll let us know it's ready. So now we've got our oven preheated. What we're going to do is we're going to cook some roast beef to 83 degrees using the probe. What we'll do is beef's in the oven, insert the probe, we go to the probe section, we'll set this to your required cooking temperature. That's it. So what the oven will do, it'll stay at 180 degrees, and that's what the probe temperature is at the moment. So the beef's just come out the fridge obviously, and you can monitor your live temperature as you're cooking here. So as you can see, the display shows the current temperature of the meat. So it's sitting at 82 degrees at the moment. We have your nice, well coloured, we've not had to seal the meat, it's just went straight in the oven. We've got a good golden colour on the outside, and we can see our live temperature. So if we're busy across the kitchen, it's very visible. So that's the oven calling us, it's hit its target temperature. So we've got a well roasted bit of meat there, all the fat's nice and rendered. As this is quite a small joint, we've obviously done it at 180, but larger joints you might want to drop your temp down to about 130, 140.